Alright, here's part 2 of the video series. I'm gonna now do the ryobi. It's a little hard to start. For some reason, I don't think it's as easy to start as the weed eater. But hey, for 20 bucks and whatnot, and expanded, it's brand new. Can't complain. So let me try to mount this camera again. Now it's amazing. I sit there and say it's hard to start, and it starts up within a couple pulls. But then again, I did change the plug out because them Champions misfire and it's hard to start, so I put in an E3. The only thing them plugs are good in is these small engines. So it's got an E3 spark plug, and I seafoamed it, even though it's brand new. But wait a couple seconds and I'll put it to run. The only thing I can say I don't like about it is that it's got a clutch and you have to rev it up to engage the string, and it's kind of high idle, so you use more gas, whereas my weed eater I can half the time trim the grass just at idle. And the one thing I like about it too is it don't smoke nowhere near as much as the weed eater, but I think it has emission stuff on it, so I'm not sure. But okay, I'm going to close the video up and I'm going to go to the weed eater blower, which if I was using during the middle of the summer, it'll start up on the first pull.